Ever had a friend who forgets what you told them yesterday? It's annoying, right? Now imagine building an AI agent that's like your friend. Every time you talk to it, it forgets everything from before. Not very helpful. That's why we give AI agents memory, so they can remember what you said, what they've done, and what's important to you. And trust me, once your AI agent has memory, it starts to feel like it's really yours. In humans, memory is how we remember facts, feelings, or events. In AI agents, memory is the ability to store and recall information from the past conversations or actions. Without memory, an AI agent is like a goldfish. It almost forgets everything as soon as the chat ends. With more memory, it's more like your best friend. It remembers your favorite food, the last time you talked, and an embarrassing joke you told last week. So, there are actually different kinds of memory in AI agents. First is the short-term memory. It's like a notepad in your brain. It remembers things during one conversation. Example, if you say, "My name is Alex," and then you ask, "What is my name?" It knows you're Alex, but only until you have the chat open. Number 2, long-term memory. This is like your diary or phone notes. It remembers details for days, weeks, months, and even forever. Example, your AI agent remembers you like pizza with mushrooms and suggests it when you're planning a party. Number 3 is specialized memory. This is when the AI agent stores specific data like the past tasks it's completed for you, your project files, notes from research it's done for you. Memory changes AI agent from just a chatbot to a true assistant. It lets your AI agent pick up where you left in a project, give you personalized answers, avoid repeating the same questions, learns your preferences over time. Think about it. Would you rather have a teacher who forgets your progress every day, or one who knows exactly where you need help and what you've mastered? Let's see memory in action. Gaming agent. It remembers your last score, your favorite maps, and which strategies you like best. Homework helper. Knows you prefer math, explains step by step, and science in bullet points. An art agent. Remembers you like bright colors and anime styles, so it always creates art you love. Many business agents keeps track of which customers who have ordered before and what they bought. Memory is what makes your AI agent feel alive and connected to you. Alright, without making it too geeky, when an AI agent has memory, it stores info or information in a database or a special memory file. When an AI agent later, when you ask something, it can look up that memory and use it to give a better answer. Think of it like a backpack. It carries everything important with it. A scrapbook where it takes notes, pictures, and ideas for you to remember later. The better the memory system, the more helpful your agent becomes. In this lesson, you'll see a demo of an agent without a memory versus one with a memory, so you feel the difference. Learn how to set up short-term, long-term for your memory for your agent. Build your memory budget, a bot that remembers your name, your likes, and past chats. By the end, your AI agent will go from Goldfish to a genius. So, now you know memory is the heart of your AI agent personality. Without it, it's just a machine. With it, it's like a helpful friend who actually understands you. Next up, we'll explore tools. The hands your AI agent uses to actually do things in the real world. Because a brain with memory is smart, but a brain with memory and tools, that's unstoppable.